Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello everyone. Yes, we are back in our sink. Yes, it's still been raining so much outside, and because of that we cannot spray with a mosquito spray. That's why I have to do things inside the house so I don't get mosquito bites all the time. Anyway, I decided that I am going to repot my Philodendron Burle Marx because if you can see, it has new leaves already. I think I grown 5 leaves since I purchased this one. Yes, and if you can see here, I replaced my vase. The first vase that I've used was a little bit smaller than this one, so because of that I decided to put here first, because this pot my cattleya was sitting here. So I've already repotted the cattleya, so I have a pot to use, but this is really the pot that is for this one. I just use this to for the cattleya not to blown away with the wind, so that's why now that this is available to use, I'm going to use it now. First thought before I made this video was to propagate this. What I mean by propagate is I'm going to chop the plant, divide it into 2, but I decided that I am going to make it grow first in here in this new pot. That way I have a nice cuttings whenever I am really very ready to propagate this baby. So let's do repot him. I have already prepared my potting mix, so I have here, I am not going to put any rocks, because look how vigorous that root of that one. So I am pretty sure that before that roots is going to invade this pot so much. So let me just do it and we'll talk later. Alright, so that's it. That's where he's going to sit. This is a new leaf, and this is the old one, so I have this one. Oh, I only have 3 leaves that are already unfurled, and I have 3 more. 3 more that I mean 4. Well, there's a bunch of new leaves that are trying to pop, so I can't tell, but there's 4 that are already big, like this one here. I hope you can see it, but I have here, and I got 3 from that one. See here, I have this, I have that and that. Oh, there's a little one here, and there's a big one here, and I also have little one and little one. So this plant is just growing so good, and it really need to have a good pot. So that's why I've already decided that I'm really going to pot it here. So here he is, sitting in a very nice pot. He's been growing inside the house. I decided not to put this outside because of the insect, you know, the June bugs. They've been eating those plants outside, so I decided that I'm just going to put this in here in the house. So he's gonna be a house plant, indoor plant. So that's all. That's how I pot my philodendron, and also I'm going to give you a update videos later with all of my house plants whenever the mosquito is not so bad anymore, and also of course my promise that I am going to do a grow space video tour. Yep, I haven't done that yet because of this rain and mosquitoes, so be patient. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching me repotting my Philodendron Burle Marx, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.